What's up, guys? It's November 4th, 2024. We're gonna do a really quick one today. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit sick and I can't make it like 10 minutes without sneezing. I feel it coming up, so we're just gonna do a quick one. I mean, we only had about one move down and then we were in a tight trading range. Daily chart, 5 minute. Bear is trying to get follow through. It's bad follow through though. We haven't really put a bear bar below the October 31st bar. We are trading at this range lows, so maybe bulls want to pull back, but then they also did get, excuse me, maybe the market's going to pull back. The market did pull back here, so bulls want to rally from a range perspective. If this was a range, we're at the range lows. But we did sell off a little bit today. Better rally ended up being a wedge top here. Whew, I'm already out of breath. See, that's what's weird about this sickness is I'm getting out of breath from talking, and that's not normal. So we have a sell-off and a rally. So we're right above, so this could be a higher low from yesterday's higher low here. Wow. Higher low here. Excuse me. Low here, higher low here. We rally leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. That creates that wedge top here. And we go sideways. I actually got trapped around here. I thought we were going to rally into here. I got trapped and then I reversed on 24 and made it back. I shorted here and then I had to get out here because this was just a lot of bull pressure. 1, 2. So you could ask, like, where's the measured move down? Well, if we're in a range, legs don't get a measured move down. Excuse me. Sometimes in ranges we don't get measured moves. But if you look at bar 32, ooh, bar 32 is right here. We went more than one tick below 30. So if this is leg one, pull back leg two. The move is complete once you go past one tick past the prior leg, and that was complete. What makes this the second leg? Well, 31 is the trend line break. 31 trend line break, leg two. Then we have a rally after a strong sell-off, so that puts us into a range bound perspective, right? Big down, big up. Wow. I've only been talking for 2 minutes and I feel like it's been 10 minutes. I apologize for today. It's gonna be a very quick one. I thought I could go for 10 minutes, but this one's a weird one. I'm not gonna lie. This one is definitely making me feel weird. I'm about to sneeze. Give me 2 seconds. So I didn't even sneeze, I guess. I'm just drawing out this range here. 3. I don't even know why I did that actually. So when we're in a range bound price action, we want to sell the upper third and buy in the lower third and do nothing in the middle. We don't have any measured moves, to be honest with you. I actually did buy the high of bar 3 for a scalp. I'm jumping all over the place. Today is not my best work, ladies and gents. I apologize. But we have 2 months left and I've done this every single day. We are so close to the end of the year of just getting a breakdown every day. So I can't tap out yet. So 1-to-1 was met right here. That's great. Where's 1.5 though? There we go. I've somehow messed up my fibs today. Okay. So 1-to-1 is met. 1.5 would be up here, and that wasn't met. We're in the range bound price action, so getting 1-to-1 is good. Usually it fails right before we get 1-to-1. We have a sell here. Clearly we don't get 1-to-1. We get that leg one move. And we have another rally here. Opposite bar, trend line break 39. Start the leg two, and then we have a deep pullback 45 from 41 to 44. You can measure this, put it here, and that also fails. The market goes more sideways. It's range bound price action, so today was very scalpy. We're in a bear regime. If you're gonna go long in a bear regime, you have to scalp out. If you're gonna, and then you can, excuse me, you can swing shorts. today was a hard day. It's election day tomorrow. Probably gonna trade sim. I was talking to some of the guys and just not trading right around election time. And it's a heavy news flow week. I'm gonna take it easy this week, I think. Yeah. So let's count legs because that's the best thing we can do right now. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Leg one, deep pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. The legs are getting smaller. We're in a rage. It's somewhat contracting, and we break out leg one, pull back, leg two. Actually, that could be a measured move right there. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar micro channel, 68 being the pullback. Start the leg two right here, and we get that leg two met. Put that here, and it's met. And then we have a sell right here. 72, 73, 74. My brain is not even thinking right now. I think I'm just gonna call it here, guys. I do apologize for today's lack of crap. I I don't know why I just said crap. Lack of talk. Today was a quick one. It was a tight trading range. Tomorrow's election day. Please be safe. Use your stop loss. Let me know how you guys are doing. I appreciate the support. Yeah. Tomorrow I just took like a medicine cocktail, like 2 Tylenols and some random stuff. So hopefully it works. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for your time. Today was a quick one. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone. Good night.